Welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this brief video, I will show you how to make a simple activity tracker. This one is going to focus on summer activities for children. So let's first make a little picture here. So I love to do this sometimes. If we go to Insert, Pictures, and you're going to place over the cells, Pictures over cells, and I'm going to do a stock image. There's some cute little icons in here. Let's type in summer, see what it comes up with. Here's some bathing suits. So I'm going to choose the sunshine. I'm going to insert. Let's change the color of that. Boom, just like that. Let's take away these grid lines. So to make it not look kind of like a spreadsheet. And then we'll do something like this. Jimmy's summer vacation activities. We will merge these cells, center that text, make this nice and large. Let's open up these columns like so. And we'll just like so. So the activity will make that a bit bigger. Let's make these headings bold. I pre-made these headings like that. And let's say there's probably about, I don't know, 15 or 20. So let's put a border here. We're going to make a border gray, outline and inside, just like that. And then let's color this header. Let's color this green. Actually, we're going to color it blue because I'm going to show you something later on. Okay. So activity. Let's do soccer camp. Okay. Make sure you format the dates as a date. So right click, format cells, and then date. This way you're able to easily enter in dates like so. Maybe you want to put a range as well. So for here, I'm going to format that. And then soccer camp, let's just do, actually, you know what? We're going to keep these formatted as general, only because this way we can have ranges. So let's put July 1, July 4th. So that's much better. That's how we're going to do it. Archery day, you can put, August 5. Okay. Location, you will put the location of wherever it is. The contact number, the amount, that could be formatted as a currency. And the sleepover camp's quite expensive. Then the archery day is another 50. If you want to see the total amount you're going to spend in the summer, you use the sum function. Drag that down just so you can get an idea of what you're spending. You can fill in the dates needed as well. This column, we're going to use a checkbox. So if you go to Insert and then Checkbox, just like that, just so you can keep track of what you've paid. So the amounts here, paid, and check. Okay. And then at this column, we're going to give it a rating. So we're going to use the drop-down menu for a rating. So we're going to go data validation, and let's give it a rating out of 5. So we will use list, comma, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you add commas after each number, just like so. And then you have your rating, 5. And you would fill this out, of course, after the activity has been completed. Perhaps your child can tell you what rating it is. And maybe we add formatting here. Maybe we add a color scale to highlight that. So now if I change this to 5, it's of course going to go green. And this one was actually 1. We can even add some red in there if we go to this color scale. Let's just delete this. Manage rules. I'm going to delete this rule. And then I'm going to add in the color scale that has the red as well as the green. So you can see the bad ratings. Oops, it's wrong way there. Highlight color scale. Here we go. So I want to do this one where it's green is higher and red is lower, just like so. And then you can format this as required. Maybe there's a larger border outlined. I lost my regular border. Let's put that. More borders, little line, outline and inside, and then we'll go with the thicker line for the outline, just like that. Okay. So there's many things you can do with Excel as far as creating simple activity trackers. Many different options to format them as well. And you can actually see how much you're spending for the summer vacation activities, keep track of what you've paid for and what you haven't, and then give each activity a rating as you see fit. I hope you found this video useful. For more tips and tricks, please visit spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.